It's Fuzzy back here, you guys. All right, I'm going to put a new blade on today on my Kubota GF1800, 60-inch wide. Now, these are center punch, so you can't really get custom ones made that last longer, all that kind of stuff. I've looked into it. And I don't know if you watched my video about putting the polyurethane blade on because I had some complaints about driveways and stuff like that. Anyway, those driveways are packed full of ice now, and because the polyurethane blade doesn't peel off, right? It just kind of rides over top. So we're going to put a new blade on because we're getting too close to the wear bar on this thing, and I'm not liking that. So we're going to keep the old one for a backup, and let's get it changed. All right, so 15-16 socket and all you need, right? So we'll put this thing aside, and holy cow, they're heavy. Okay, so you peel this off. So what I do is I leave an outside one on and just take off all the rest. Okay, just leave that one on like one thread, because when this thing drops, they're heavy, right? Okay, there we go. And there it is. Now you can see behind this blade, I put a bunch of stuff on here to keep it nice and moist and everything from not sticking to it. And it's still there. It's working good. I don't have to put new stuff on. I'll throw the new blade on. And I'll tell you what, this doesn't take long, you guys. Right? Just get your bolts lined up. I think I dropped this down too far, but we're going to see if it'll work. There we go, as long as we can get that bolt started. There we go. Throw that up there like that. Clean it all off nice. Wearing gloves are like wearing a condom. You can't feel anything. Okay, so now these all started. Now this middle one, and put it on as far as you can with your fingers, okay? That way your socket will go onto it easier. Now put these all on by hand if you can. That way when you stick your socket on it, these won't come out. That way you don't have to hold the head down. Okay, now when you tighten this thing up, you want to just kind of shake it upside up. Just shake it, just get so it gets in the right spot, okay? Now you see how that moved a little bit. Of course you couldn't see it, but there it is right there. Now you can torque these, you can do whatever you want. I don't care. I don't need to torque it. And there it is right there. Now, the most important part. Okay, so I trim these edges off right here. Now I don't go 3/4 of an inch. I only go about a 1/2 inch. So if you got uneven sidewalks or driveways or whatever, it won't catch an edge. It'll kind of bounce over it. Now 1/2 inch is not a lot, but most stuff is not, higher than that. If it's getting up that 3/4 inch, yeah, then you know it's there, right? Because it stopped you in your tracks at some point, and you know it's there, okay? I just take a zip disc and zip them off and go from there, right? So we just want to get them. That's all you need right there, is that little tiny tip off, okay? And that's not going to reflect the performance of the blade, or it's not going to leave tracks or anything like that, because most of the time you're at an angle doing kind of stuff like that, right? So, but yeah, there you go. That's installed and ready to go. All right, you guys have a good day. Make sure you subscribe and like and all that good stuff. Make sure you comment out there on your ideas and stuff like that, and help everybody else do what they do. All right, take care, man.